In this video, I'll show you how to input your paper inside of your HP MPF M234sdw. Sorry. So the paper input of this printer is located right over here. You need to lift this top panel where the screen is located. Okay, simply lift it up like this. It will stay in place. And then you can even pull down this tray. You're gonna notice there is two guides on each side. If you want to use some US letter size like this one, just a regular piece of paper, you're gonna bring these on the sides by pushing them. So you're gonna take it and you're gonna push them so the paper can go in. Next step is to take your stack of paper. By the way, this printer can take up to 150 sheets of paper. Do not put more, because then you're gonna have some paper jams. All right, so I'll simply glide the paper this way until I cannot glide it anymore. You see, here it stops. And then I'll simply close this small gate and put back the top lid. Now, before printing, I always suggest you extend this flap over here fully, like that, because this is where your paper will come out of the printer, and if this is not installed, well, the paper will just come and fall on the ground. If you want to use a different kind of paper, you can always remove this one, and you're gonna notice that over here you have different size. So you have A4, 11, A5, depending which kind of paper you intend to use. And if you're trying to print on envelopes, you'll need to bring these two guides together so the envelope can go through this middle part. Never use staples, never use paper clips on any paper that you put over here, because it will jam the printer and it can break some components. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.